How to short notifications by time or priority on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. So you will see notifications is here, so click on notifications. Now here, so click on short and filter notification. So after you click on short notification, you will see, so if you want to set by priority, so click on by priority. You will see short notification is set by priority. So if you want to set short notification by time, so click on by time. So after click on by time, you will see short notification is set by time. So after selecting by priority and by time, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set short notification by time or by priority on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.